Hello my loves, it's Jay, and today we're taking you guys into the kitchen for a delicious snack. So today we're actually doing our very first cooking video, as one of my very close friends calls it, Jay Cooks. So today we're going to be doing a Jay Cooks episode. I'm so excited about it. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the most simple barbecue chicken pizza. This is actually one of my husband and I's favorite little treats or snacks. It's an awesome appetizer. It also can serve as a meal. I just love how versatile this dish is. You know what I realized in the videos? I always talk with my hands and my shoulders. I think it's like a Hispanic thing. I'm really trying not to, but it's like, that's how I inject my little sazon into these videos. All right. Also, stay tuned because at the end, you'll see some of my lovely family members try this delicious pizza. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this delicious and tasty barbecue chicken pizza, then definitely keep on watching. For this barbecue chicken pizza, you're going to need these thin pie crusts. Chicken, I already pre-cooked mine. Yellow and orange bell peppers, scallions, and sharp cheddar cheese. So for the sake of time, I already washed everything and chopped everything. I already cooked my chicken and have my sharp cheddar cheese. You can shred yours, you can choose whatever kind of cheese you want. You're also gonna need barbecue sauce. I'm gonna be using honey barbecue sauce today, but I normally like to use Chipotle barbecue sauce. So now that we have everything ready, now it's time to assemble it all. I actually really like making this because you can pre-cut and pre-make everything and leave it in the fridge and have like a quick dinner. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 350. I'm going to toss these in my oven for 3 to 5 minutes just so that they can crisp up. If you put this in your oven with the toppings without pre-cooking it, you're gonna have a soggy pizza, so that's why I highly recommend you preheating it. But once you take your pizza crust out of the oven, you're gonna want to take your barbecue sauce and just put it all over your pizza. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth that all over. We're gonna go ahead and put our sharp cheddar cheese all over our pizza. Now I'm gonna take my chicken and start placing that all over my pizza as well. You can put any kind of toppings you want. If you like mushrooms, you can add that. If you wanna add pepperoni or sausage, you can also do that. Now I'm gonna go with my bell peppers and also add that to my pizza. When you put them in the oven, you want to cook it just enough so that the bell peppers are cooked with a little bit of a bite to it. You don't want it too soggy. And the last step is to add our scallions in. Just like the bell peppers and the chicken, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that on. Alright, now that we're all done, it's time to put it in the oven. I'm going to put this in the oven about 10 minutes. And check on it. If I feel like the peppers need to be cooked a little bit more, I'll leave it in longer. If I feel like it's perfect, then I'll take it out before. And then once your pizza is done, it should look like this.
Hey, how are you? Oh my god.
Alfredo, how was it?
It was great.
Awesome. Ronald, how was it? Ready?
A+++++++.
Gold stars all around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I told you it was so simple. If you guys do decide to try this recipe, definitely send me pictures on Instagram. We are Him and Her Homemade. I would love to see your creations. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.